it's Via, and if you can see, I'm not in my normal setting where I usually start my makeup videos. That's because I've already recorded the makeup process, obviously, and the reason I'm doing it this way, so I'm not talking in the video, I'm just gonna put like a cute bop in the background, and the reason I'm doing that is I found recently when I sit down and I try to film a makeup video and talk to you guys, I just like I get really frazzled and I can't like de-stress, and makeup is a way to de-stress and express my creativity. And I feel like when I'm talking, I don't know if I'm just like I get nervous. I'm gonna keep trying to film videos where I can talk, but maybe like more simpler ones and then build up. But I feel like when I'm doing like creative makeup things, like something like this, I just like I need to be like calm and in a calm setting, and I feel like just hearing myself talk does not calm me down. So I hope you guys still enjoy this type of video. I'm sorry if it's not what I usually do, and I like I said, I am gonna try to work past this, but for now my makeup videos, at least I'm getting them to you, and for now they're gonna kind of be just watching me with like a cute little diddly bop boop beep in the background. Also, if you're wondering why my hair is literally yellow on the top, it's because I just bleached it and I'm toning it tonight when I get home, but I ran out of developer in the process. Let me know. I'm sorry if these aren't your favorite videos or they're boring or whatever, but at least you get to listen to cute music and it's not going to be as long. Hey, so like, did y'all just see that? Like, should I play it again? Should I play it again? Let me play it again. Hold up a minute. Alright, so I have to give a shout out to my girl Darian. She made this amazing intro for me. I love it so much. It's literally everything I asked for, 100% my vibe. Yellow, orange, like the music's pumping, the animation's great. I love it so much. I am so thankful to you, Darian, and all the work that you did for me. So thank you so much for giving me such an amazing intro. Now back to the video.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. Do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again, now that you know that I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? I love a broken plan.
Alright, that's all I have today. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for sticking through me while I figure out what I'm doing with my life. I love you. Subscribe, comment down below, like, share, hit the notification bell for notifications. Follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. I forgot the most important one. Also follow my makeup Instagram as well, because this look will be on there with details of what products I use and everything. Also, all the products will be linked down below, besides the red eyeliner. Well, maybe I'll do the red eyeliner, I don't know yet, but if the red eyeliner is not down there, it's because it was giving me a hard time and I wouldn't recommend it.